Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and it's called the notification bell. And what happens when you press it, and I recommend that you do, YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And then all you need to do is press on that picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So once you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you're all set. All right? Also, if you already are subscribed to my channel, first of all, thank you. But you can always press on that during any of my videos, that bell, and then you'll start getting those notifications as well. All right. Today is the day that we're going to be going through another unexpected delivery, and it's ironic how quickly or late things are coming, because this little box, I really wasn't sure what it was, and I always try to look in the little corner of the shipping tag to see where it's coming from, and this time it said Boxycharm in Fort Lauderdale, so I figured this must be my add-ons. I am not the luckiest girl when it comes to add-ons or getting onto websites at a certain time and then trying to get in on the deals. So that's why I enjoy so much my subscription boxes. But what I do love that Boxycharm has started to do are these add-ons and pop-up stores, because if you watch a lot of other channels, like when I have the opportunity to do so, I do, you get to see some of the other items that were in the boxes, so you can see if the girls like them or didn't like them, or at least see some swatches of them, so that when these pop-ups or add-ons happen, we then can hopefully get in and get the items that we want. I have to learn how to make my decisions quicker or ahead of time, because whenever I go in and I think I'm getting in at the early times, everything seems to sell out and sell out really quickly. So the girls seem to really know what they want. They go in and they get out. I'm looking around like as if I'm shopping in a store, and then I put everything in my cart and then I go to check out. By the time I check out, everything that was in my cart, 99% of it was already sold out. So it's ironic that when I went in already, I thought more than, a third or at least, half of the items were sold out. For sure, all of the palettes were sold out that I wanted to get into. I would have loved to have had the opportunity to try the Vanity MUA, Life is a Drag, and a couple of other ones. But by the time I got in, or like I said, I thought I got in early, those were already in the second part where it said sold out, sold out. So I really thought that whatever I was putting in my cart, that it was secure, but it's not. So if you like something, put it in your cart and check out, because what I did was I shopped, I put it in my cart, and then when I went to check out, everything was saying sold out, sold out, sold out. So I went back in to see what else was available, and I quickly chose a couple of things just to see what this was all about, and then I checked out. So I ended up getting a couple of items that were more replenish items than new items for me. So those are the first two that I'm going to go through with you. I'll tell you what the suggested retail is and then the price that I paid. The second thing that happened was this wasn't even on its way yet, but just maybe a week ago, not even, I got an email that Boxycharm was giving me $12 to use in the add-on store. So I went in to check if the add-on store was even still alive for me even to purchase anything, and it was. But by that time, there was maybe, if you were lucky, 10 or 20 items that were left in the add-ons. So again, it was going to be an item that I was going to replenish. So I was looking for something around the $12 value, because it was a free $12 for me. I don't know why I received that. I know a couple of girls got them really early because of the per release being the wrong color in their box. I also felt I got one of my boxes the wrong color, but I wrote to them and I told you guys about this, and they simply said, It is what it is. So I never got that $12. And then all of a sudden that $12 email showed up when there was 2 days left on the add-on sale. So I had to go in quickly, see what was available. And that's going to be a replenish item as well. All right, so now you guys are all up to date with why we're even doing this video, but I wanted to make sure that you guys know that a lot of us miss out, but I love that there is the opportunity now to even have a chance to be able to get some of these products to either replenish or try at really heavily discounted prices. I truly prefer the way that Ipsy does it, because then you're going in on that day to do you get to check everything that you want, and the add-ons are immediately right after, so you're kind of like in that frame. This is more, you know, hurry up, rush, get there at this time, and if it's there, it's great. If it's not, yeah, it's just more chaotic for me. So anyways, let me show you what I got and what I replenished, and then we'll go through it from there. So the first item that's in here that I replenished is from this company called Glam Glow. I am really impressed with this brand. I have tried their masks, I have tried their, I've already replenished their exfoliating cleanser, and now this was their daily conditioning cleanser that I also really enjoyed. And it was at such a phenomenal value, and the size of this product is absolutely insane. Like I said, this is a daily conditioning cleanser. This here is a $28 value on its own, and I paid $6 for it. This is 150 ml. This was a 79% off discount, and it's saying that this is the ultimate daily conditioner cleanser to gently but effectively cleanse your skin and remove your face makeup of daily impurities. It has oat amino acids, conditions the skin with gentle bubbles, deeply cleanse and dissolve your makeup. It blends with apple extract, vitamin E, and teoxin, which is a green tea leaf that gently acts like a foaming cleanser, and it's inspired by the rainbow aurora of the bubbles, and it's a mild, soap-free, and SLS and SLES free. The packaging is stunning. I'm like I said, I'm totally impressed with this brand, but to even get a daily cleanser for $6 of this caliber, it was a no-brainer for me. So I was happy that that was still available. The next item that I picked up was from Dominique Cosmetics. I've also been impressed with this brand. I know she is an OG influencer, and I have watched her and I have enjoyed her. And she also came up with her own makeup line, and she comes out normally with palettes, but this was her lip gloss, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I tried to get the other color. I had them both in my cart, which was the strawberry one and then the peach tea. By the time I went to check out, the only one that was left was the peach tea, which was one that I already owned, and I enjoyed it, so I made sure to just keep that in my cart and check out. So those were the two items that I checked out with, and then I'll show you the free item that I received that literally came the day after this parcel came. So this parcel took about 2.5 to probably 3 weeks, and then the one that I just placed literally came in a couple of days. So this here is the one that's also in Peachtree. I will swatch for you, and I will show you the cleanser as well. This is normally a $17 item. I also got this for $6, and this has a fresh bitten lip-like color. It's a lightweight texture that's non-sticky and flexible. Their glosses create a dewy, effective look that adds fullness to the lips. It's a sheer to medium coverage that's long-lasting, but to be worn alone or layered over lipstick. I don't think it's overly long-lasting because it is a gloss, so I want to swatch that and show that to you too, but I want to show you the last item first, and then I'll swatch everything for you. This is from Murad, and this ended up being one of the best deals, and for some reason I didn't look at any skincare, and I'm ending up with 2 skincare products. I really went into that add-ons for palettes, I guess, like everyone else did. So I'm really happy with everything that I got, and it's just there's so much that the prices are so great that a lot of it could be considered impulse buys, but I'm telling you, whatever you have received, you are going to be happy with. At least I have been, because the brands are there, the quality of the products are there, and the price now is completely there, so that we all get to have the opportunity to try some of these luxurious brands for really deeply discounted prices. So this was the $12 credit that they gave me that I used, and this was $12, and this is a $70 value product. And this is from Murad. It's the Hydra Dynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. It came fully retail packaged, which everything did. And this is the item here. And this says it is an 83% off. And this is a deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. It's a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract, which will seal in the moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. It's gently enough for sensitive skin. I have been really impressed with the Murad line, and it is, he's an actual doctor, he's Dr. Murad. But what blows me away is that we're able to access these type of products that are the full size, and they are in the retail packaging, and we're getting them for prices that I've never seen anywhere before. So this is what the product looks like here. I'm going to take a little bit off the lid here just so I can show you guys the consistency. And if you've been to my channel, you know my trick that I have learned years ago about eye cream. You do not need a lot. So you take a little bit on your finger and then you tap your ring finger, which is supposed to be your weakest finger, between each other, and then it's evenly distributed between the two, and then you literally put it around your eyes, and you do it around the orbital bone, which is a little bit lower, and I do it all the way up to my eyebrow, and whatever excess is left, I put in that number 1 or number 11. All of us get something in between the brows, and that's what I do with the excess. So it is a beautiful, beautiful moisturizing cream. I use this sometimes at nighttime, but if I use it during the day with my eye cream, I always put it on and then I wait a little bit. I wait for it to be able to penetrate in so that the benefits are getting in there, and then I don't have to worry that I'm moving it around when I start playing and putting on makeup. So that's the first item. The second item that I showed you guys was this Glam Glow, and I just want to show you the consistency of the cleanser. But it is such a beautiful, beautiful, I don't know if you can see, like it is so beautiful, and it's just so luxurious. And what's nice about this is the way that the bottles are, so that they can sit on your counter perfectly, and then all of the ingredients get down to the bottom here, so you really get to use a lot right down to the end. And that's what the product looks like on my hand here, and it is truly, truly the most moisturizing cleanser that I currently own. So I really missed it when I didn't have it in my arsenal. So when I saw it was available, I grabbed it. And then the last item that we have here is the Peach Tree by Dominique. And this one is also, to me, I'm happy. I would have really been happy to try the other one, but to be able to get a replenish of this one, I think is absolutely, absolutely stunning. So that's one swipe, and you get enough color in the one swipe that it's not a clear gloss, but it's not overly opaque. It really gives you that pretty, pretty color. And like she said, it's not sticky. The only thing is it is a gloss, so it is something that you're going to have to put over. But I've always been a gloss girl, even during the time when everybody was going crazy over the liquid lips. The gloss was always something that I even put on top of my liquid lips, because I found those consistencies to be really, really trying. But really, really happy with that. So, I mean, I got these two items for a total of $12 plus tax, and this one was completely free, and everything was shipped for free. It shipped completely separately. This came on its own, and these two items, because it was a different order, came on their own. But like I said, everything came in complete retail packaging. So like I said, if you have the opportunity to go in when they tell us when the add-ons are, definitely go in. Look around. If you don't get it this time around, hopefully it will be there again. But like I said, no matter what you choose, and if your budget is only $10 or $6, there are items in there for you to have the opportunity to try and to experience this like I just did. So just wanted to come on camera and share all that with you guys. So once again, if you're enjoying any of my content, I really I really would like to ask you to leave me a thumbs up. That's why I have the pillow behind me. It's to remind me to ask you guys to leave me a thumbs up, because supposedly that's really important on the YouTube platform. The thumbs up that are underneath tell you that you like my content and that you're enjoying my content, but it also, for YouTube, informs them to show this type of content to other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, and then they'll put my channel in their feed, so it will help me grow. So thank you for taking a couple of seconds. It's right underneath the video, and as soon as you press it, the number will change and it will turn blue. At least that's what it does on my screen. So I hope that you guys do that for me as well. Once again, I always appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here, so thank you. But most importantly, what's really important during this time is that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.